Hello guys, welcome back to the channel The Into Drives. Today I am going to introduce you to my bike Pulsar 200NS. I have my two-wheeler also, so from now on I will be vlogging with my bike, just the city rides or whatever it could be. So I'm starting with a good thing, that is now I'm driving towards inline 4 engineering. Most of you from Hyderabad or any other parts of this country know him as Vikas Ratchamalla. He is a Hyderabad YouTuber and also the brand ambassador for YouTube community also. Yeah, I'm taking my bike to inline 4 engineering to get it serviced. It is around, I don't know if you are able to see it or not, 29,460 kilometers. I wanted to get it serviced completely, so I spoke with Vikas Sana last day, like the before night. He was very responsive and he was so supportive that the very next moment he has forwarded my number to some person called Manoj, and he has called me and asked me for what are the requirements, and it was very good, guys. The feeling itself was very good for me, and I have then itself decided to go to the inline 4 engineering and get my bike serviced. Let's roll to Madhapur inline 4 engineering. So this is it, guys. We have reached inline 4 engineering. Manoj? Yeah. So ఇదే బైక్. చాలా సౌండ్లు ఉన్నాయి, ఒకటి కాదు. are done with the service. So let's see what's the service rates and all. So this is the tax invoice. Here you can see the 1475 and some other charges, but the reality, I mean like reality in the sense, the actual prices are here. So for the parts, 4 coil seals have been changed, 4 coil have been replaced, oil filter is completely changed, air filter is completely changed, engine oil, motor engine oil has been used. It's an offer, so that's why they have charged 999 rupees for me. That's what they have said. So rear brake pads and gear lever assembly is also changed. I think rear and front, both the brake pads have been changed, and clutch cable is also changed because my clutch was very tight before. Now it has become a little lighter. And gear lever assembly, why they have changed is because it is so loose, so that's the reason why they have changed it. And total for the parts it is 2792 for all these things, and for the service charge it is 1475. and on top of this, what's all included apart from this is they have cleaned my bike, water servicing has been done, chain cleaning, chain lubrication is also done. Now let's roll and let me tell you how it feels while I ride this. Bye Bruno.